How to access Bing's Chat GPT 4.0 waitlist tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of how you can speed up your waitlist process. So without any delay, let's get started. To gain access from Microsoft to use Bing Chat application, you will need to join the waiting list. For that, click on the option of join the waiting list, and then if you had already registered, you will see the option of you're already in the waiting list option. Then you will need to click on the option of access the Bing faster. Then it will guide you to a page of remedies you can follow to access the new Bing faster. The first one is to set Microsoft defaults on your PC. You can easily do this by downloading extension from Google Chrome extension. The second one is to scan the QR code to install Microsoft Bing application. And that's it. That is how easily you can get access to Bing's Chat GPT 4.0. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.